me, Autoimmune Warriors, back at you with another video today. Today I am going to talk about something that I do for like self-care. Sometimes I can suffer a little bit of depression, and one of the things that I do to make myself feel better is I like to do my makeup. That's why I started a series called Makeup Maladies on this channel. One of the ways I source my makeup is through boxycharm. And this is not sponsored. I get boxycharm. I pay it with my own money every month. And I thought it might be fun to just unpack that together. So if you are interested in watching me unpack my boxycharm box, give this video a like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Here we go. Okay, so let me start by saying I haven't even opened this yet. I just got this today. I have no spoilers. Yes, I'm wielding a knife. So let's dive into this together. I used to get all my makeup from Sephora. I used to spend more money than I care to admit on makeup at Sephora. And then I realized that I don't have to do that, that some things you don't have to spend that kind of money on. And now I spend $25 a month and I get 5 full-size products from BoxyCharm. And it's not all makeup. Some of it is skincare, which is really important because one of the autoimmune diseases I have is Sjögren's syndrome, and it just like dries me out. So let's open this and see what we got. So this month is a fresh start. And on the back here, it tells you everything that you got and how much it is. So before I even look at that spoilers, I'm just gonna grab what's on top. It looks like an eyeshadow palette from Ciate. I'm gonna open this up and see what the colors look like. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of hoping I got the Violet Voss palette. It had like olive tones and stuff that I'm really into right now. I don't even know what this has in it, so let's look. Ooh, it's got like that soft, like matte touch. Can I open it? Oh, all right. It's like neutrals. It's pretty. Oh, I will admit, I have another Ciate London palette from BoxyCharm, and it's like super pigmented. So like, I'm not mad at it. Next, let's see what else we got here. All right. This is quartz infused reset mist, lavender body and linen spray. I believe this is supposed to like refresh your face. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, it smells good. I'm gonna spray it on my face. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels nice and smells delicious. All right. Ooh, we have a liner duo. I love eyeliner. I don't know about you guys, but like I love like a good black gel eyeliner. As I count myself. I can't handle boxes today, apparently. It's the nails. Okay, let's see what we got. We have, I think they say that these are like queen. I can't say it. I just keep saying queen over and over and over again. So we have a black gel eyeliner that's like a pencil. See? And then we also have a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, this has got some like cute packaging on it. And I believe it's felt tip. Yep, felt tipped. You can't see it. Felt tips are great for like if you're inexperienced and you want to put like a flick, like a cat eye or like a wing on your eyeliner. They're great for that. But for me, I have a really hard time with like the dexterity in my fingers because of all the autoimmune diseases I have. So these are great for like, you don't have to be like super precise to get a cool winged look. So I like felt tip markers for that reason. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, we got DNA, which stands for Do Not Age, by Dr. Brandt. It's triple peptide eye cream. For real, I am pushing 40 this year, and I like to take care of my skin. I like to put, serums and moisturizers and, refresher sprays and eye creams. So I'm going to love this. I'm trying to avoid any crow's feet. I've avoided it so far. Let's see if this helps. I'll let you know how this goes. And the last full-size item in here, I'm so excited about. This is Pharmacy, and it's the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. Like I just said, my skin is dry. It gets so crusty and tight feeling, and then I get swollen, and nobody likes that. It's not fun. And I love a good gel moisturizer. It is so hydrating. Boxes, look at this. I can't open boxes today. Look at this thing. Look how pretty that is. It belongs on like a vanity. It belongs like on a shelf, on display. It's glass. Listen, this is a glass jar. It is nice. I'm going to open it up and I'm just going to give it a little testy feel. Let's see. Oh, it's green. It's green. Look at that. Ooh, it's so thick. I've got like a big dollop on my hand. Let's see. Oh, it turns into like, because it's the gel consistency, it feels really, really hydrating and smooth. Oh my gosh. And it smells so good. Love it. Love it already. Super excited. So those are the 5 products that came in my base box of BoxyCharm. It's like $25 a month plus tax, and it is worth every penny. I have not had a box that I was disappointed in. So just to keep into perspective, I spent $25 some, and this is how much everything costs then. So my Ciate London palette is $30 retail. My Pharmacy Daily Greens moisturizer is $38. My Lifestyle Revitalizing Mist is $36. My eye cream is $82. I would never spend $82 on my own, but $25 for this product in this box is a great deal. And then we have the Dragon Eyeliner Duo. These were, let's show them both. These were 28 bucks. That's a really good deal for 2 eyeliners. So yeah, that is what I got. That is my BoxyCharm box this month. I get them every month. And if you guys are interested in seeing like me unbox these, and not just like a beauty review, because there's a million of those, but how these products work with someone who has autoimmune issues, give this a like and leave a comment down below. And like, yes, I want to see it. I want to know how this works with someone who has Sjögren's syndrome and mixed connective tissue disease and Hashimoto's disease and Raynaud's syndrome and I could keep going and going. So you let me know if you want to know how these products are. I will let you guys know on my Instagram kind of how these products are working. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. I'll see you next week.